applicants before the High Court for appropriate orders. This application in the High Court has similar effects as the one before me. When two similar applications are made in both the Magistrates Court and the High Court under the Human Rights Enforcement Act, the following scenarios may occur. The first is jurisdiction. The High Court has broader jurisdiction and can handle more complex cases, including those involving non-derogable rights and freedoms that are under Article 44 of the Constitution. The applications being similar before both courts, the High Court takes precedence. This also serves to avoid duplication of efforts and conflicting judgments. It ensures a more efficient legal process and consistent rulings. With that being the case, court strongly points out in coming to a decision the following. Dr. Kizza Besigye was granted bail in this particular matter on the 1st of July 2022 and has since been exercising his right to liberty. Secondly, the human rights violations raised were not committed within this court and or within its jurisdiction. An application whose decision has a similar effect as the one before this court, which is High Court MC number 0031 of 2025, retired Colonel Dr. Kizza Besigye and Haji Obed Butale versus Attorney General and Commissioner of Prisons is before the High Court and is being determined. The High Court takes precedence over the Chief Magistrates Court of Buganda Road. A decision by this court on prayers made has the effect of creating parallel proceedings and the potential for conflicting decisions and judgments which curtails judicial efficiency.